Garden actually is the highest valley in the state of Virginia. And that's where we're headed to. On the head unit, that'd be great. Ooh, look at that view. Oh, and the flowers smell nice. I think it's clover. We are so close to Mountain Run that GPS shows me about maybe a quarter mile to the right, but I'm following the same path as the road. Hairpin curve coming up. Another hairpin. Another hairpin. Here's the Burke's Garden historic marker. So we can find that online. Nice waterfall. So we are at 3,109 feet. Oh, there's our sign right here.
Isn't that something? Isn't that gorgeous?
I just love the combination: forest, plains, hills, no traffic, no souls.
Yeah, well, it's older.
Well, very few.
I'm
telling you, this is God's country, man. I'm telling you.
So let's take.
So there's your 666. Let me take a picture of you with 666.
We're all going to take pictures of it.
How are you going to do it?
let's see. Let me see your phone. I'll get you in front of your bike, and then you can get me in front of my bike.
Okay.
Or behind my bike, excuse me.
Right.
And then Lowell behind his bike.
Awesome. With the 666?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, there's mine. So
Put your little hat on if you want.
I was gonna say my hat. My hat, my new hat. Let me just toss it on. Good call. Is my bike in it?
Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get you.
Okay, but you know what?
Chicken butt.
You gotta get me with this background and this horse sign. Look at this. Look at this.
I know, it's great.
I mean, it's crazy. And this is like my dream farm. Like, I want to own this place.
All right,
Love
I'll get you in front of your bike. Okay. And then
I mean, for real, the
I'll let her
scenery
get me in
is
front.
great.
This
It's
is
like
her.
they make postcards out of this stuff, you know?
Yeah. So you get him. I just want to see where the best shot would be. The frame.
You're gonna holler if a car's coming my way and running me over, right?
Or horse and buggy. Let me know if it looks like my finger's pointing at the sign.
Okay, a little bit closer to you. Down a little bit. Okay, perfect. All right, 1, 2, and 3. That's right.
Yeah.
But you know, I kind of want one in front of my bike.
Okay. You want
You got it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, wait, one more.
Your fingers are covering the cameras,
Yeah, I'm getting a good shot of the bike.
but you got your fingers over the camera.
That's right. Just go through the pictures.
What is he doing?
Go through the
You want a finger in the picture. You're doing it on purpose. You're literally purposely. What are you?
I was being silly.
You're just a goose. Okay.
What's up, Blue Jay? Bird flying in front of me. Yeah. No, it was flying across the road, about eye level. Yeah, it wasn't like directly in front of me, it was a few feet ahead of me. Yeah, bird playing chicken.